Internal PC communication failing because of the coml2 Library DLL. I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer. Follow me for a safe, engineered fix. Before we begin the manual steps for coml2 Library, check the description for a tool to help maintain a clean system environment. This is the coml2 Library, the Microsoft Com Level 2 library. It provides unmanaged infrastructure for advanced component object model, COM, messaging, and localized interface marshalling. It facilitates the orchestration of cross-process communication for legacy system services. Now let's get this fixed up. Our first move is installing a fresh, clean copy of the library. This problem affects a core Windows DLL. Start command prompt with administrator rights and run sfc/scan now so Windows can verify and restore system files such as coml2 library. If a standard reinstallation doesn't restore the library, we need to verify if the system environment is properly recognizing the new components. Performing a restart can determine if the error is just a transient environment glitch. A reboot refreshes your system's path variables and can sometimes re-establish a broken link to the coml2 library file. Bookmark this video or click the like button now so that you have a shortcut back to this guide after your PC finishes restarting. If the initial power cycle failed to restore functionality, we will now proceed to infrastructure level support. You may pause the video now to ensure your environment is ready. If the restart didn't fix the library error, we need to manually repair the specific C++ redistributable package. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. To ensure long-term stability, we should review the safety risks associated with unverified file sources. Avoid the trap of free file repositories for coml2 Library DLL, as these platforms are frequently used to spread persistent browser hijackers and adware. For a reliable way to monitor these specific library interactions, I've included a professional resource link in the description. Review options for improving responsiveness and system safety by consulting the repair resource linked below for coml2 library. If this fix repaired coml2 library dependency issue, please like the video and subscribe to stay informed on maintaining a secure and stable PC.